Hi, good morning. My name is Kim Tovar, and I am the Director of Secondary Education in the Ontario-Montclair Schools Foundation. We were very excited to be able to visit Chaffey College INTECH Center today. This provided an opportunity for 40 of our students in 7th grade from Anza Middle School to get to experience many career pathways that they have and opportunities for scholarships and free education through Chaffey College.
Hello, my name is Logan Vines. I go to Anza Middle School, and on my trip to Chaffey College, I have learned a lot about electricians and mechanics, and mainly on how they work and where they work. My favorite part was when I went to the mechanics classroom. He answered all my questions about like how and why they have to fix the machines constantly and how often they break. I learned that there are things that you can do to be able to go to college for a cheaper or even free price.
I would like to extend a heartfelt appreciation and thank you to our Chaffey College staff for organizing this wonderful manufacturing day for our students to be a part of. I'd also like to thank all the business partners that were here today to provide students with education and materials and resources to see what career pathways they have when they finish with high school and enter into the workforce. So again, today was a fantastic day for all of our students. They were able to experience multiple different careers. It was just a fantastic day for our students, and I'd like to extend a huge appreciation to our Ontario-Montclair School District Board, cabinet members, our superintendent for making these opportunities possible for our kids. Thank you.